from that you are reflecting the super being, I would like to know what the name is of this physical form in front of me. What is your name?
My name is Captain Lal Chand.
Captain Lal Chand.
Yeah.
And what is your connection to Fakir Dayal and Manavdi Dayal?
I can't make out.
How did you meet Manav Dayal and Fakir Dayal?
Okay. I was in the army as a captain. I heard that there is a saint in the Sharpur. I came to see him. The first day when I met him, the name of the God, I realized myself. Seeing him, I sat there for 10 minutes. At that time, I realized the name of God. I asked the Fakir Baba, is it the name of God? He said, yes, it is. Since then, I began to come here.
Thank you very, very much. Baba Fakir, yeah.
I met Baba Fakir in Sharpur in his own residence at Railway Mandi.
Yeah.
I went to his house and I asked him, initiate me the name of God or make me your disciple. I want to know about the God. I want to know how to do bhajan, harmony within self. How to realize the internal things, internal voice that is called. And that came in my mind at the same time.
Yeah.
Since then, I am in touch with it.
Yeah.
Always it will not separate from me. Wherever I go, I realize it.
Yeah.
Here, there, eating, walking, talking, everywhere with me. Everywhere is the name of God with me. Anything more?
Your English
Yes, I shall
doesn't...
talk in English.
Yeah. It doesn't matter so much. It's just a few words and a little memory for the camera, so people in the West will also be able to see you. I have been watching you during satsang, and you are in a state of deep samadhi all the time. Is that true? That's what I feel. Yes. You are one of the most steady meditators I have ever seen in my whole life.
To realize God within self is to realize the light and sound. Real thing is that if we enjoy other visions within self, that is illusion. That is not real. That is not real. Reality is light and sound. Those who want to meditation, they should realize themselves light. There are many colors of the light within self. According to the nature of everybody, he realizes the light as yellow, red, white and beam light, like that. There are many types of the sounds in the beginning. That is the bell, as we listen in the churches or temple. Then other type of the flute, the voice of flute, and other so many drums, or you may say other, so many types of. But the real sound is, we cannot describe it. It is attract the attention within self. And those who want to salvation, they should follow the sound, real sound. Sar Sabad, real Sabad. The soul will modulate on it and go up the region from where we come. If we want to go a real home or real abode, we should realize in ourselves and practice sound. Sound is all and everything in the saint or in the monk's religion. So religion means to realize oneself. And to realize oneself, we need practice of the sound and light. Other things which we realize or see the vision in ourselves, that is not true. The ideas as we comes in our mind during the awakening life, that is not true. And the visions which we realize in ourselves, that is not true. We see them, but they are not real. Sometimes they come and they go. But the light and sound are the real or the life of the woman. Those who want to go simple, they should try their best to realize the sound within self. And the sound which we cannot describe, only can realize, that is called Sar Sabad, real Sabad, internal voice, voice of the God. There are so many names for that. In Hindu they say Ulta Naam, Sat Naam, or so many names are given by the saints. But we cannot describe, realize. Those who are interested to realize that, they can realize themselves. It needs a living master. He must be perfect in himself. He should be complete or Puran. He can guide you properly. Without living master, if we do practice, that is not good. Sometimes our balance of our mind is also go in disorder and people suffer in the life. So those who want to practice the yoga, they should consult to the perfect master who is perfect in the sound or have realized it, or he say himself, I am perfect. So all and everything is that we should consult the living master. He must be living, he should have full knowledge about the light and should realize in himself. The bookish knowledge is not sufficient in this. Those who practice the yoga or meditation without any master, they will suffer because they don't know what is coming in their mind about the vision or other things. It is the perfect master, he know all and everything. I think these are sufficient for you.
Thank you. I have just one question.
Yeah.
Is there anything beyond light and sound? Is there anything beyond light and
Yes,
sound?
I understood.
Yeah.
Your question is there anything beyond the light and sound?
Yeah.
Yes. What is talking in ourself, that is beyond light and sound. What is in everybody elements, that is beyond light and sound. It is the part of the super being. Super being. In everybody, what is working there, that is the part of super being. It is beyond the light and sound. Those who merge in the sound, they cannot describe themselves. They become themselves the super being. And when they come in body, they work as an ordinary man. Beyond sound, if you merge in the sound, then that thing is not describable.
Then you go beyond sound. Through merging in the sound, you go beyond sound.
Yes, you need not to go. You are practice or you are meditating in the sound. Meditating, you merge yourself in that.
Yeah.
And after that you cannot describe it.
Yeah.
That is the condition.
Yeah.
And that is very indescribable.
Yeah.
We cannot describe the words.
Yeah.
And that is everybody. That is in every man. Everybody is in.
Yeah.
What is talking in myself?
Yeah.
That is beyond light and sound.
Yes.
What is talking you? That is beyond light and sound.
Yes.
Yes. Any question?
Yes. You are talking from that level right now. You are talking from that level right now.
Yes. I have realized it.
Yes.
I have practiced from very beginning.
Yeah.
I always live in the sound.
Yeah.
Just I am talking to you and I connected with it.
Yeah.
I have connected.
Yeah.
My attention is attracted toward that.
Yeah.
I realize it. Walking on the road, eating, walking, talking, everywhere, the thing is with me.
Sleeping.
I realize the real God, what is in man.
Yeah.
I realize myself. Yes, anything more? Anything more? But I am ordinary man. I can't do. I have no power at all. Yes. Anything more?
No.
You may ask me any question regarding the religion or realizing spiritualism.
When you go to this super being beyond light and sound, then is this super being will maybe see that even light and sound is temporary.
You know, who realize the light and sound, that is ourself.
Yeah.
When we realize the light and sound within self, then light is something else,
Yeah.
or self is something else.
Yeah.
I myself is gone beyond the light,
Yeah.
the region of the light. But I realize the sound.
Yeah.
So there is two things. One is the sound, and who is realizing? That is myself.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Exactly.
That is self.
Yes. That is Suraj.
Yes.
Suraj,
And,
yes.
and I am quite near to merge in it.
Yes.
But if I begin to merge, then I shall not come back. I shall merge in it. So the super being taking work from me,
Yes.
I am working here.
Yes.
And when I merge myself, I
Yeah.
won't come back.
Yeah.
So I quite near to it.
Yeah.
I understood my abode.
Yeah.
I know it.
Yeah.
But I cannot stay there.
You cannot stay there.
Yes. But I realize it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anything more?
No.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So who is talking? What is talking within self
Yes.
is beyond light and sound.
Yes. So
in
even,
everybody.
So even light and sound is not true.
No, that is true. Sound, light is making everything.
Yeah.
Every creature is coming from light and going to light. Light is creator.
Yeah, but
Light is creator. Sun as sun. Beyond sun there is light is creator.
but even maybe someday, even someday, light and sound will disappear, and super being will still be there.
Light and sound means the light region of the light is creating this world.
Yeah.
And so many other worlds also.
Yeah.
And so many hemisphere.
Yeah.
The light is a very great region.
Yeah.
Light. But you know, beyond light there is something else.
Yes.
Which is governing from where the light get power.
Yes. Yes.
And that
this
is
will
sound.
never
That is
change.
sound. And sound, what is sound?
Yeah.
What is talking or self?
Yeah.
That is beyond the sound.
Yeah.
That is all and everything.
Yeah.
And yes, anything more? If any you have any question, you may ask me. Eh?
Yes,
It is very simple and cheap for you.
It is very simple, yes. I always chased directly to go to the final abode, the thing beyond light and sound. But I realize now I have some steps to take first. I first have to go into vibration, what you call light and sound. As I see, light is vibration
Yes.
and sound is vibration.
Yes.
Yes.
So you know the light, sound is the, you say, the real super being, you suppose. And light is after that. The light come from the sound.
Yeah.
The light come from sound.
Yeah.
Sound is above than light.
Yeah.
I myself follow the sound now, but I don't realize the light. Light is below.
Light is
I go
below,
up.
Yeah.
And you may go there, you should have your ideal within self,
yeah.
what light and sound, then you will go there.
Yeah.
If you have ideas of some physical gurus
Yeah.
or master within yourself,
Yeah.
you cannot go to
No.
in the light, beyond the light and sound.
ठीक.
Because that is heavy.
Yeah.
If you have the picture of your master or some gurus or some any form, Christ, any form,
Yeah.
then if you realize that in yourself, then you cannot go behind the light.
But maybe I shall taste the guru like an apple first. And if I have tasted and eat the apple, there's no apple left. So there's no guru left. So I do with the guru like I do with an apple. I eat him.
Yes.
I eat the guru and then there's no guru.
No, you may enjoy. The
Yeah.
enjoyment is there.
Yeah.
You know, happiness and enjoyment.
Yeah.
Happiness is there.
Yeah.
But this is beyond the happiness.
Yeah.
Those who are going practicing the sound,
Yeah.
that is beyond the happiness and unhappiness.
Yeah.
You cannot say that is other stage.
Uh-huh.
There is no any sin or क्या कहते हैं अच्छे कर्म क्या कहते हैं good or evil work, nothing.
No, beyond good and
you
evil.
become totally pure yourself if you follow the sound.
Yeah.
Sound is all and everything.
Good deeds and bad deeds.
Sound is all and everything. If you follow the sound,
Yeah.
realize sound,
Yeah.
your ideal must be sound. Then you go to
But-
your real abode.
But the abode lies up from sound, beyond sound.
Sometime mixing, sometime
Some
you will
mixing.
at same time you will realize the sound and light both.
Yeah.
But after realizing, I myself is practice simply the sound.
Yeah.
In few days I realize the light, I beyond the light.
Yeah.
But some people realize the light and sound both.
Yeah.
Some people realize the shape of their master
Yeah.
or Christ or something
Yeah.
to whom they believe.
But my ideal, maybe it's intellectual, but my ideal lies beyond sound.
Sound you should have.
Beyond sound.
Beyond sound you should have.
Yeah.
I want to merge myself in the sound.
Yeah.
Your ideal
And then go beyond sound.
but first of all you take the ideal sound.
Yeah.
Always keep the sound in yourself, enjoy it and go.
Yeah.
Go enjoy yourself. So one day you will merge in yourself.
Yeah.
Practice makes
Sure.
perfect.
Yeah.
Practice makes a perfect.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Every day,
Yes.
every day,
Yes,
every day.
every day. Going, eating, talking, walking, you should have.
Yeah, every day.
Yes. Anything more?
The battery is flashing and saying now the interview is soon finished.
Yeah.
So I say thank you very much.
No mention, please.
Thank you very much.